Beautiful morning though. It really is.
It's nice.
Like, it's definitely cooled down a little bit since we got here. You hear the geese?
I heard geese. Are those two flying out front? You see them over the house that's straight across?
Yep, that's him.
Across from us?
Where those two birds went?
Going.
Yeah, where those two birds went, there's more over there. It's actually right over next to my house. we probably could have shot those birds from the front yard this morning. That's the best with this thing, but it's pretty easy to use.
Yeah.
This is that like Canada goose call. It's like a honker.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little easier to use than that thing you have.
Yeah. Yeah, I had one like that, and then I gave that to Steve, my buddy Steve. Just a straight honk like that, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Makes it easy.
Right. You see where the point of the island is?
Right out in front of us?
Yeah, it's two mergansers.
Oh.
Yeah, see the island to the point of the island out in front of us. Just go to the right of that, maybe about one finger. And
down there somewhere?
Yeah, they're right there. Two of them. Get ducks flying this morning.
Yeah.
It's a good sign. Probably seen a dozen or so. There's nothing decoyed yet.
Yeah, we need to get them closer.
Hopefully that boat just went by and kicked some up.
Yeah.
They're coming right to us.
Oh, they really?
Yep. They're coming cutting across.
Yeah.
They went right in and landed with those other ones.
Yep.
Yeah.
We just need to get them to come from more to the right.
Yeah. Well, they knew right where they were going.
Oh, yeah.
Just had a really good group come in and land over there with the same other group that came by a little while ago. Now those flew right over the house for sure. Those definitely flew right over the house. Cool. That's pretty to see.
Yeah.
A little excitement. You know, it is a blessing though. You sit here, you think about like all those people going to work, and we're sitting here watching the sunrise.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I do say that it is a blessing.
Yeah.
However, they probably got more money than I got because they work.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we got about I don't know, 20 or 30 flock of birds out there. They all look like they're mergansers. They've been getting up, landing out there in front of us, you know, probably 100, 200 yards away, but not coming any closer. So
Yeah.
we're gonna keep sitting it out and see what happens. This is a Topsail Island duck hunting right here. It's pretty slow. We got the birds; they just don't really fly around like other places. And 9 times out of 10, they're all mergansers. No, I pulled up the binos on those, and every single one of them was a merganser. It was a big flock, but we'll give it some more time and see what happens.
Well, I guess they are now. They look a little bigger than that further away.
Yeah, they're pretty sure mergansers. Well, we got 2 mergansers coming in. They're swimming. They landed out maybe 50, 60 yards. It looks like they're swimming in. If they come in, we're going to try to take them. We'll see what happens. All right, well, we've kind of adjusted. It's about 11 o'clock. We've seen lots of birds right out here in front of us, so we've jumped over to a small little island. There's nothing really set up here. It's basically all grass. Danny's moving around the boat to the outside, and a bunch of mergansers and some buffies is what we've seen pretty much today. So we will shoot whatever we can. So decrease the spread throughout just some brown ducks and some buffies to kind of match what we're seeing. and gonna give this little spot a shot and see. We're kind of just sitting down here in the grass, tucked low as low as we can, but the boats have been going down the ICW and been kicking up birds, and they've been constantly landing right here, flying high over us and then circling down and landing right here. So we're gonna try to be where they're at, where they want to be at. So we'll give it a shot, Lord willing. We can knock a couple down.
We might want to pull some decoys closer.
Yeah.
We can get up and shoot these two real quick.
Oh no, let's let them get in a little closer. Well, it just worked. We just had 2 mergansers land their decoys. They're on the outside, so we're gonna let them come a little closer. But it just worked. We just had 2 decoys. It's awesome. We've been watching birds land here all day, all morning, and just come over here. You want to shoot them?
Well, if we got up, we could shoot them, and then we could move decoys while we put up the birds.
Yeah.
They're probably pretty. They're about in range. They're probably 35 out, huh?
Yeah, they're right on the tail end of it. I
just happened to look over my left shoulder, and I just saw white flying.
I saw them. They're pretty. They're just mergs, man. That's so pretty.
Don't even care if they're mergansers.
Hey, shoot. I love it. Well, we should probably shoot before too long.
Yeah.
You want
to get up and walk towards them and see how close we can get?
I think we just ease up, shoot them.
That's a little far. That's further than I thought.
What do you think?
I think we can get up and get to them.
I don't think you're going to get to them. I think maybe if we just shoot at the same time.
They're almost in the row with each other.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. You kidding me?
Those are all up. We're sitting right back down.
Man.
We're gonna move them.
All right. Hey, come back around. A little high. Oh, Danny, right here. Well,
Get on the right.
we did some shooting.
Oh, yeah, let's get away that way.
Yeah, I see them. Oh, man. They landed behind us. A bunch of buffies just landed behind us. They were out here in front of us, so we're gonna move the decoys in a little closer to us. The birds sat down just outside of range. We shot anyway just to try to get lucky, but didn't work out. So we're gonna keep it. But we just did some shooting there. That's pretty nice. See, we've shot up more birds in the last 5 minutes of sitting here than we have all morning of sitting on the other side. So, all right, we'll keep at it. Nice little breeze, listen to the waves. Sun feels really good. Sit right here and go to sleep.
Yeah.
Now we just need a couple more ducks to do the same thing.
Even prettier when some ducks decide to float right in front of us for a minute.
Yeah. I prefer them float in than fly in.
Hopefully hover right there and then not 30 miles an hour across the top of the water.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how those two didn't die.
I don't know neither. I don't know how they didn't die. Like they were almost lined up when we were shooting at them. We're both shooting number 3s, right?
I've got bismuth number 4.
Shoot, yeah, I'm shooting number 3.
That's a lot of pellets down there.
3-inch number 3s.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I've got an ounce and a quarter worth of shot in these things.
Yeah, Boss shells.
Yeah.
I'm shooting an ounce and a half. Yeah, these are 1.5 ounces.
Damn.
Yeah, number 3s.
I switched to the 1.5 ounce.
Pretty good stuff.
Number 3 and 5 inch.
When you hit something, they do work. I promise. But you got to hit something.
I don't know how those things gonna get hit.
I think it looked like they peppered them, but I think they're a little too far to really.
Yeah. I switched over to the 3-inch number 3.5 duplex loads now that we were shooting geese with the other year.
Mm-hmm. I still have probably at least 100, 125 rounds of the Boss shells.
You buy a case of it?
Yeah, I bought that case. I don't remember how. I think it was 200 rounds.
It was like $200 for. Yeah, it's like up 200 rounds.
Yeah, it was like 3 something.
Oh yeah.
It was like 3 something for 200 rounds. But I mean, I've been shooting that same box for 2 seasons now.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm still on that. Still have a good box worth of that number 3.5s, and then I've got probably half a case of the number 4.
Yeah.
2 3/4 inch number 4s, but for ducks and stuff, for most ducks, it's been fine.
Yeah.
It has enough shot, like enough pellet count in it that smaller ducks, I can still take smaller ducks for that.
The ducks that I've shot and actually hit with this number 3, it puts them down quick.
Oh yeah, it crushes them.
Yeah. And I really haven't duck hunted this much this year. I think this is what my 4th time out, right?
Yeah.
My 4th time with you. That's it. I've only duck hunted with you this year. That's it.
I haven't duck hunted that much. But...
Not compared to what we did last year.
Oh man, yeah.
I feel like we hunted. I feel like we hunted like
every day.
Yeah, at least 50 days of the 60 days.
Yeah.
Not to mention we started early.
Oh, we were way up in September.
Yeah, early teal and early geese.
Yeah, we're shooting teal and geese already.
I need a boat to come by.
Yep.
Spook everything up. Yeah, I see those buffies behind us. They're out there in ICW.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, and a pile of mergs too.
Oh, is there?
Oh yeah. Yeah, literally right off our point right here, there's mergs.
Yeah.
And then between us and the bridge over there, like you see that white buoy?
Yeah.
That's where the buffies are. You'd think a boat would come by in a minute.
Yeah.
But they're definitely there. I should probably go spook them up so you can shoot them. Just had a real pretty merganser come in, real pretty drake. Came in, shot at him 3 times. I don't know how I didn't kill him. Bullets all around him. It looked like it hit him, but he didn't die. He flew out and flew back over there, about 100 yards away. We're gonna give it a little bit, and then probably do the same thing in the morning and come back to the same exact setup. Now we're seeing some of these boats move around. We're starting to see some birds. Steady action. The birds pretty much right around here. We just got to get something to spook them up and let them fly by. But we've had 3 birds this morning decoy in this setup, so that's pretty cool considering the first setup that we had 0. So very happy and thankful for that. But we're gonna probably call it a day here soon and probably come back here in the morning. I'll let you know how it goes. All right, guys, well, we're back out here this morning. We got a new friend with us. I got Jack. This is Jack's first hunt. This is a puppy that we bought about 9 months ago. He's doing pretty good so far. He's looking the part anyway. He's a lot like us. He looks the part. Yeah, that's right. He's looking cool. But we've already seen 2 or 3 birds fly by this morning. It just got legal light to shoot, so we're gonna see what happens. But a little less water than what we had yesterday morning. But the tide's supposed to go out and then switch and come back in before too long, so we'll see what happens. But it's a beautiful morning. A little colder, a little bit more wind, but it's pretty nice. We got tangle free blind set up. This is It's the first time I've ever used this blind. I'll get some better footage when I get out of it, but it's pretty cool. It's the first time. It's really comfortable. Danny's set up over there in some bushes. A little chair.
Got my turkey hunting chair.
Yeah, he's got his turkey hunting chair. It was actually working really well for this. We thought about it yesterday. It was like, yeah, it works. So, all right, well, we'll see what happens. Good Lord willing, a couple birds are flying and be slow enough for us to shoot. What do you say, Jack? Jack, what do you say? What do you say? Good boy. Well, seen a couple. Just had one come down the pipe, kind of veered off to our right though. I was a little too comfortable to take a shot, so I just stayed warm. Stayed in this little thing right here. So I watched him fly by. He's pretty dumb. Sunrise is absolutely beautiful. Real pretty morning. What do you say, Jack? It's a pretty morning? We're gonna make a mid-morning adjustment right here. We're losing a lot of water. We didn't expect it to be this low. I've never seen it this low right in here. It's pretty low, and all our decoys are sitting. We've pushed them out a couple times already, but they're sitting on mud. Danny's gonna go to the other side of the island and check the other side of the island out and see if we can maybe set up on it. But beautiful morning. Having a good time either way. Real pretty. Jack's doing really good. Got my new blind. First time I've used this blind. This tangle-free blind. I really like it. I bought it for a I bought this blind for a goose hunt in Ohio. I never got to use it. Trip never got to go through with the trip. But I said it would be really good for out here on these little islands like this, and so far it's pretty good. We've seen several ducks, just nothing within range. But it looks like it's going to be a pretty morning. We didn't start seeing a lot of ducks yesterday till mid-morning anyway, so this is about time. So we're going to set up a little bit better and figure it out. We'll see how it goes.
Two come right there out in front, or three.
Three, yeah. I see them. Hey, at least they're flying.
True.
Oh, come right to us. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Two of them.
Come back around.
Jack, sit. Jack, come here. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Go fetch. Fetch. Good boy. More. More. Good boy. That's it. Good boy. Good job. Good job. Right here. Here. Good job. Good job. Release. All right, one more time. Fetch. Go. Jack. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Come on. Come here, boy. Come on. Good job. Come on. Come on. Good job. Good job. That's good job. Proud of you. Good job. Pretty good, huh?
That's not bad.
For his first time out.
For 9 months old and not really doing that yet.
Yeah, for his first time out. That's literally his first time he's ever retrieved them to do decoys like that. So
Too many options out there for you.
he's learning too. About
Oh yeah.
staying close.
That's good.
He's doing good. Proud of him. I always need some water to come in and shoot.
Yeah.
What do you say, Jack? What do you say, buddy?
Now you're just waiting for somebody to shoot.
Yeah, it's like, I'm waiting for you to shoot a duck.
Yeah. Drag me out here in the freezing cold.
Yes, I'm waiting for you to shoot a duck. Oh, there's a duck. Behind us.
Coming this way?
No. No, it's kind of going right through there. Staying low, ICW. All right, so we've moved one more time. So this is the third time we moved this morning. The water's coming back in, so we've got good water. Flip it around here. I got Jack in the tangle-free blind, layout blind with me. And then our spread. There's a bunch of ducks over here. Hopefully this boat is getting ready to kick them up. We've had a couple fly by, but just out of range. We'll keep at it. It's about I think 10:45, so this is about the time yesterday we started actually shooting ducks, so hopefully they'll start moving a little bit better. Definitely come out here and feed. Kind of threw us for a loop. We were not expecting it to be this low of a tide. It was extreme low compared to yesterday. Yesterday was low tide, but we were still had 6 inches to a foot of water everywhere. So today it was nothing but mud. So hopefully it starts to pick up as the water flows in. So we'll see how it goes. Are we out here duck hunting for your first duck hunt?
Whoa!
You see all the decoys now?
Logan's first duck hunt.
Pretty cool, huh?
Beautiful morning too. 3 days in a row. These are your hand warmers. Do you like these? They're nice. I like those.
Are they getting warm now?
Oh yeah.
No, those mine.
Yeah. Oh, can I share?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's so nice.
Hey, this me. Hey, the kid daddy the one.
No, I got some of my
He's
own.
got some in his bag somewhere.
I got some.
Mine were just easier to get to, so you can get your little hands warm.
You got your hand warmers on?
Hey, look at colors.
Yeah. What is that?
Hey, no.
No.
Dad, your face.
My face. You want me to look at my face?
What?
Yeah. But what is that? Is that the sun?
No, it's not.
That's not the sun.
Look back there, there outside. It's flying.
The sun's in the sky,
Yeah.
flying.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is in the sky for sure.
No, it does.
Look at the bridge. Look how pretty the bridge is. All right, wish us luck.
No, it'll be cold. It might stuff go. It might stuff go.
They're right here.
Right there?
Your hand warmers.
Eat this.
No, you eat it.
I color this.
All right, just hold one and then hold that. There you go. These work pretty good, don't they?
Yeah, this so mine.
That's so yours. Yep. Do you like them?
Yeah, this is not yours.
No, that's yours.
Not mine. Not yours.
Mm-hmm.
That's not mine.
I think Jack wants one too.
Not one.
He's looking cold this morning.
Yeah.
Hey, sit down. Hey, we gotta get in here. We gotta hide.
No, he's not hiding.
Yeah, we gotta hide. The ducks are gonna see us. Do you want the ducks to see us?
Yeah.
You don't? Silly goose. Here.
No. Shh. Is he hide that?
Hey, how many ducks have we seen so far? How many ducks?
Maybe hide.
How many ducks have we seen? Jack, you see a duck? You see a duck, Jack? Jack, you see a duck? Let us know if you see a duck, Jack. You gotta be quiet or Dane's not gonna bring us hunting no more.
I am here.
You hiding?
Hey, hide.
Huh?
How do you hide?
Sticking out too much.
I don't think so, man. None of
They weren't close.
those 4 ducks were on a mission. Seen 4 this morning so far, but they were on a mission. Stayed out over the open water. Got a little buddy here
I mean, Susco.
for his first duck hunt. First hunt, actually, in general.
He made Susco.
He's pretty tough. It's pretty cold out. Was it 37?
No, it's like It was like low 30s.
Low, I don't know, it's probably 32, 35
Where my
degrees.
stuff go?
Hey, this is your hot cocoa. You want your coffee?
No, the hot.
It's not, well, it's called hot cocoa for a reason.
No, it's hot.
Hey,
It's hot.
it is hot, but it's cooled down. I'll put some ice in it for you. You want some? Hey, look. Ooh, somebody's shooting. Hey, did you hear that gunshot? Is that cool?
The ducks are moving.
Yeah, they're moving.
Now we gotta wait for them to come over here.
Did that scare you?
Yeah.
Were those pelicans?
Yeah.
Those were big pelicans.
Yeah. And there was another one.
You want to see more?
Yeah.
There might be more.
Look at that. No picking.
Hey, did we see some geese? Yeah, we had some geese come by.
I want to see. I bet the no-nos.
Yeah, down there in the marsh.
I bet the no-nos.
What are you singing? Apples and no-nos? Yeah. A little bit of shooting this morning.
Hey.
We haven't seen any ducks. Within range. We may have a noise issue. And maybe a little bit of extra movement. But either way, most of the ducks have stayed off pretty far. But we're having fun. We've ate all our snacks and went through most of our hot cocoa.
I did all my hot cocoa.
You did? You drank all your hot cocoa?
Yeah, it's all gone.
Yeah, it's all gone. Yep.
Now I eat all my snacks.
Timer begins.
Yep.
I eat make it happy trash. I make it happy trash.
Happy trash?
Yeah.
Yeah, we get all the trash, right? We leave no trash. We cleaned up the marsh, right? We leave nothing behind. Right? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, we're going to set it out and see what we can do. Beautiful morning.
Did it stay here?
Yep, we're going to stay here for 10 more minutes, okay? And that 10 minutes will turn into another 10 minutes. And that 10 minutes will turn into another 10 minutes. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I didn't think you did.
It's this, Daddy. Come on.
Yep, get back in there. Good job. You having fun?
Yeah. I just got light.
Yeah, here, cover it. And cover up and get in the camouflage. Get in the camouflage.
Oh, why?
So you can hide. So the ducks don't see you. You're like a natural in there, Logan.
Is this a camera?
No, that's a light. That's a flashlight.
A flashlight you hat?
Yep, you put it on your hat. That's right.
Oh, here?
Uh-huh.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, why? Okay.
Yeah, you having fun?
I'm on it.
You gonna wear it?
Yeah. I'll try you wear it.
I thought it was an 810 for a minute.
Well, we ain't seen no ducks in a little while, but we're having a good time. Little man's having a ball.
High shoot.
Somebody's shooting down there.
High shoot.
That sounds like it's enough. I think there's a private pond over there.
I see.
You see him? You see him?
Yeah. High shoot.
No, you don't shoot. The gun,
Why?
because it's unloaded, but you don't touch Daddy's gun. Don't touch it.
I'm gonna go.
Hey, what did I say?
I gotta shoot.
I know, but it's unloaded and you don't touch your gun. Yes, sir?
A high shoot and yes, sir.
Okay.
A high shoot against a bird.
Yes, you will. In time, buddy. In time.
I see it back there.
Uh-huh.
I see in the back there.
All right, look back there.
How do I get out?
No, stay right there. It's a lot safer in the blind.
Huh?
I don't want you to fall in the mud and get all wet.
Whoa.
Careful, careful, careful.
I see over there.
Yeah, look. Just look with your binos. There you go.
Huh? I see nothing.
Well, you gotta raise them up a little higher.
Oh, I I see geese up there.
Good times.
I see geese.
This is how
up
it starts right here.
there. I see geese up
After
there.
this, he'll be hooked. He's doing pretty good for being 3 years old.
Hello.
Making Daddy proud.
Hello.
On your nose.
Hey, put some on your nose. Hey, not on your hands, on your nose.
I got it.
Good job. But put it on your nose too. Now you're a duck hunter? All right, that's enough. You put it on the outside of your hands. Look, put it on the outside. See? Put it on the
Whoa,
outside.
I want to try that.
Yeah, on the outside. We can't use all Danny's paint. See?
I want to try it.
Okay, just a little bit more. There you go, good job. So that way the ducks don't see your hands. What is it, old girl? What is it?
Look,
Good job, buddy.
I just look at my hand.
High five. Good job.
I color mine.
You coloring your hands?
Yeah, I color my makeup.
Hey, boys don't wear makeup. We wear hunting paint.
Hunting paint.
Yeah,
Look at my hands.
or war paint. You say war paint?
More paint.
There you go. That's what boys wear. Yes, sir?
For sure.
Okay.
Look at me.
Okay, well, hey, let's don't waste it. We're wasting it now, okay? That's plenty of paint. I'm pretty sure the ducks aren't going to see your hands.
This one.
All right, right there. That's it. Last little bit. All right, good job. Give it to me.
Oh, no, this one.
All right, right there. Yeah, that one, that one, that one.
This one.
This one, this one, this one. This one. Oh, they're shooting. All right, gotta get ready. They're shooting.
Shoot.
Yeah, they're shooting. I might see some ducks. They're behind us.
Whoa, a duck can't see my hand.
That's right. Ducks can't see your hands. Can't see your face. Can't see your cheeks.
Hey, drop it. You didn't make. You did do daddy. No, push me down.
I didn't push you down. Hey, we're on camera right now. Don't be telling people. Don't be telling I push you down. Yeah.
No, push me down. Don't make me sad.
Yeah. I didn't push you down. You fell down.
I fall down.
Yeah.
I can't go that mess over there. I see here. Whoa. I go duck hunting.
Yeah, we're duck hunting. Say, come here, ducks.
Come here, duck. I get Jack a treat. I get some Jack's more treats.
Don't feed him our blind. That's our blind.
No.
Yeah, don't feed him our blind. The ducks are gonna see us.
Look.
Yeah, is that cool?
It come back. Oh no, it's going. Oh, why is it going
It's a
down?
big old barge.
I'll go like that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh?
I'll go like that.
Well, we can't ride it today
Why?
because he's working. He's going somewhere.
Going.
You still see him?
Huh?
You still see him with the goggles?
It's going. Going. Get duck. It's going to get duck. Done.
You're done.
Get. Who's that?
What is that?
He gave me goggles. I see.
Let's get him.
Okay.
You see it?
Who's that?
It's an airplane. Look higher. Look higher.
Huh.
Wow, you see it?
Goodness. That's huge. That's huge.
Yeah, it's a huge airplane. Hey, stop.
That's huge. That's huge.
Yeah, it is. Hey, you having an awesome time?
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, I floated down. I floated down in the water.
You're not in the water.
Huh?
You're not in the water.
Look at me.
You're so silly.
Help! Help! Daddy.
Are you in a pickle?
Yeah.
You look like you're in a pickle.
Yeah.
That looks uncomfortable.
Help. He got me.
Yeah, I got you. That was a close one.
It's a go. Anyway, doggy, you wouldn't know doggy. Yeah.
Is he giving
Go.
you? Is he giving you a kiss?
Yeah. Yeah.
He loves Logan kisses. He loves Logan kisses.
Good job, puppy. You're a good boy.
Say that's right. Say good dog, Jack.
Good job.
Good boy. Good. There you go. Good boy. I'm proud of my boys.
Jackie, give me a kiss. Kiss. Go leave it.
It's not leaving. Jack, what are you doing? What are you doing, Jack? He's like, you ain't leaving me here. Here, you want me to take that? You gonna put it in the boat?
Hey, grab this. Is this a duck?
This is the one that we shot the other day. Hear that? It's not supposed to rattle like that. It has BBs in it, and it won't float right.
They got babies.
Yep, BBs.
You want to keep that one? You can keep that one if you want it.
I want this.
You can take it home and keep it.
You want to put it in your room? We'll put it in your room. You can...
I'm a white. I'm a white.
Yep. You want to ride?
Yeah. I'm a two-way boat.
All right, let's go ride the boat.
Look at it can go that way.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, we can go fast. You sure you want to go fast?
Yeah.
Okay. You better hold on tight.
Hold on tight. You want some blanket? Let's cover the blanket, okay? There you go.
I'm in the blanket.
Yeah, you are.
And you got ducks.
Is this too fast? No.
You want to go faster?
We can go fast, huh?
Let's go faster.
You go fast?
Let's go fast.
Fast enough for you?
Hey, you okay? You okay?
Do you feel your face?
I love you. Was that fun?
Was that fast?
Are you speechless?
Like I can't see out of my eyeballs.
Yeah, I can't. Poor little guy. Poor little guy.
I'm gonna go fast, Daddy.
Huh?
I'm gonna go fast.
You want to go fast?
Yeah.
You want to go? Well, we're done going fast. We're at the boat ramp.
Good job today, buddy.
Yeah, you did a really good job. I'm so proud of you. You too, Jack.
Dad,
Uh-huh.
you go to the ocean?
Yeah, we're going to go to the dock.
A dog?
Yep,
Yeah.
we're going to the dock.
But why?
Well, we're done hunting.
Gotta put the boat back on the trailer. Then you gotta go home and get all the makeup off, all your war paint off.
Go home, get some coffee and cocoa,
Eat
Warm
some
up.
cereal.
and then watch shows about duck hunting.
So you can see what it's really supposed to be like.
Pretty good day, guys. if you're still watching this, thanks for following along, and I hope you enjoyed the videos. We're gonna call it a day, and he did really good for his first duck hunt, actually first hunt in general. So super proud of the little guy. At 3 years old, he's pretty tough.
Eyeballs are cold, huh?
Yeah, pretty tough dude. So on there. You're driving out on there like a pro, Logan. Like you've been doing it forever. Hey, did you have fun?
Yeah.
I had fun with you.
It's beautiful.
Uh-huh. Hold on tight. Give it a little bit of gas. Give it a little bit of gas. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. Yep, hold on tight. He's gonna pull up. Hold on tight. Good job, buddy. One proud dad right here. Super proud of that little guy. You have a blessed day, guys. Take care.